Welcome to Kusum.net. This is part 1 of chart controls in ASP.NET applications. So let's go with chart. I want to display this type of chart. In the x-axis there is student names and y-axis there is total marks and the title of the chart. Okay. So how to do this in programming? Let's see. I will delete this. Okay. So first I need to drag and drop the chart control from Visual Studio. Okay. So let's type the chart, drag and drop this chart on your window form. Okay. This is my window application, and when you drag and drop this chart control on your window form, that time in the backend side of this chart property there is series created. Okay, there is one series one by default created, and the name of that is series 1, and in the series 1 there is some data points, so this value is shown. Okay, and if you want to add some values as per our need, we have to create the points. Okay, that is called data points, and by default there is chart area 1 is created. This chart area 1 is automatically created by default. Okay, and there is the property of x-axis and y-axis like title and their values, names, properties. Okay, and if you want to give the title for the chart, you can give from here. Okay, so I want to give the title of this chart result of the student, so I will add in the titles property, in the text property I will add student result as a chart title. Okay, so student result. Okay, and I want to edit these fonts to bold 20. Okay, and want to change the color of this title using maroon. Okay, now you can see there is chart title is available, and I want to give the x-axis values name and y-axis title. Okay, so title for the x-axis and y-axis I can give from chart areas because that is the chart area property. So go to the collection in chart area, x-axis title, this one, give name of students. Okay, add the font property bold 12. Okay, color suppose this one. Okay, so you can see here in the x-axis there is title added name of student, and I want to add now in the y-axis title. So y-axis, go to the title property and add name marks. Okay, add to the front property bold 12. Okay, color font yellow, right? Okay. So both title are added for x-axis and y-axis. Okay, now I want to add the data points for the students marks. Okay, so right click on this chart property, go to the series, and inside of series select points, data points, add the data point one by one, and inside of data point you will add the marks of the students. Suppose 90 marks, uh, no, not here, marks in the y-axis, so you will add the marks here. 90 marks for suppose Manish student name, so axis label you will provide the name Manish, and in the y value you will provide the marks. Okay, so there will be data points will be added for Manish 90 marks. Now add another data point. I think that will be removed. That was removed. So add again 90. Suppose name is Rakesh. So Rakesh. Add another one. Uh, Manish, and y value 80. Okay. Add another one 70. X-axis level Gita, one Namrata, y value suppose 55. Okay, so I have added the data points. For Rakesh there is 90 marks, so this one. Manish 80 marks, Geeta 70, Namrata 55. Like this you can add the marks for the student. Now if you want to change the color of this student marks, or if you want to add the legend, you can add legend properties. Okay, from here, that we will see in the next part. So here I am stopping this video. We will see in the next part for the jar control. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel kusum.net, share it, like it. Thank you. Have a great day.